When you share your music on social media, you want to make sure people understand instantly that the post they are seeing contains an audio track, especially because, for obvious reasons, by default video posts are muted. Here's an example of a song that could easily pass unnoticed. To make music more obvious, you could add an audio visualization using a professional video editing software. But what if I tell you there is a faster, better and cheaper way to do that? Let me introduce you to Flyer, a web app I built specifically for this purpose. Let me show you how it works. In Flyer, you have 3 ways of creating a project. If you are a very creative person, you can start a project from scratch and create each layer using the features and libraries provided. If you already have a design made, you can easily import it as a flat image or export the individual layers from your favorite design tool. Alternatively, you can use a ready-made template that can be customized extremely easily. For this demo, we use a design made in Adobe Photoshop. We export the layers using our plugin and drag the generated files into Flyer. Then you can import your audio file and trim it if necessary. The audio gets analyzed to extract its features like BPMs and the various frequencies. Now you're ready to animate your cover. Let's add some effects. You can add to each layer as many effects as you like, and Flyer has many you can choose from. Each effect is very configurable and can be animated using different signals, the ones coming from the music or other generic ones. In Flyer, you can create much more complex animations, for instance using multiple frames for each layer or editing the timeline in detail. But to keep this demo simple, let's stop here. The cover is looking great already, let's export it. Your video is now ready to be shared. If you prefer to share it from your phone, simply use our mobile app, which is available for iOS and Android. To recap, Flyer is faster because you can create animated covers in a few clicks. It is better because you can animate any layer independently, some reacting to the music and some not, and you have access to dozens of cool effects out of the box. And finally, it's cheaper because you can use it for free with a small watermark on the corner, and removing it still costs a fraction of professional video editing tools. Give Flyer a try, and if you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to comment below. Have fun!